Hi guys, in this video we will see how to turn on or enable temporary chat in Google Gemini. If you want to turn on Google Gemini temporary chat, here are the process. First, launch Google Gemini on your PC, and here in Google Gemini page, from the top right corner you will find a pencil type icon, which is turn on temporary chat. Click on it and you can see welcome a stranger. Temporary chat don't appear in recent chats and are not used to improve Google AI, stored for 72 hours for safety. So this is the temporary chat icon in Google Gemini. You can easily enable or disable it from here. If you want to disable it, simply go the cross sign and again turn off temporary chat. So you can easily turn on and turn off Google Gemini temporary chat